But you've been doing everything right. You got the job. You're making decent money, maybe $60,000, even $80,000, even $80,000 a year. You're not broke. You've got a 401k. You're saving something. And yet, when you look at your bank account, it feels like you're running on a treadmill. You're working harder than your parents did, but somehow, you're not getting ahead. Meanwhile, there are people making the asterisk same salary as you asterisk who are building asterisk real wealth asterisk. And here's the frustrating part. It's not because they are smarter or luckier or because they inherited money. It's because they are doing 3 specific things differently. And nobody's talking about it. My name is Zach, and I spend way too much time thinking about why wealth inequality keeps getting worse even though the economy keeps recovering. If you're someone who feels like you're doing everything right financially but still can't break through to the next level, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Look, I'm about to show you something that's going to make you uncomfortable. According to the Federal Reserve's latest data, the top 10% of Americans now control asterisk 67, 2% of all wealth asterisk in this country. And the top 1%? They hold over asterisk 31% asterisk of everything. But here's what most people don't realize. You don't need to be in the top 1% to build serious wealth. You need to be in the top 10%. And the threshold to get there? It's $1. $8 million in net worth. Now before you close this video thinking that's impossible, I'm going to break down exactly how people are getting there and why it has almost nothing to do with income. Here's the thing that nobody wants to admit. Asterisk income doesn't create wealth asterisk. And this is where most people completely screw up their financial lives. You know what the average American saves? According to the Bureau of Economic Analysis, it's about asterisk 4% of their income asterisk. 4%. That means if you're making $75,000 a year, you're saving $3,300. Now let's say you do that for 30 years. You're going to have $99,000. Not even 6 figures. And that's asterisk before asterisk accounting for inflation eating away at your purchasing power. Meanwhile, people in the top 1% are saving and investing asterisk 40 to 50% asterisk of their income. Let me say that again. They are saving asterisk 10 times more asterisk than the average person. But here's where it gets really interesting. They are not necessarily making 10 times more money. I want you to think about that for a second. 2 people could both be making $100,000 a year. One person saves 5%. One person saves 40%. After 10 years, assuming a conservative 7% return, the first person has about $72,000. The second person? They have $575,000 Same income, 8 times more wealth. That's the difference. Now you might be thinking, Zach, how the hell am I supposed to save 40% of my income? I've got rent, student loans, car payments, groceries, and look, I get it. But here's what most people don't realize. Wealthy people don't save more because they can afford to. They can afford to because they save more. It's completely backwards from how you've been taught to think about money. Let me explain. The average American is operating on this formula. Whatever's left over at the end of the month, that's what gets saved. Which is usually nothing because expenses magically expand to fill whatever income you have. You get a raise? Great. Now you can afford a nicer apartment, bigger car payment, better restaurants. But your lifestyle inflates at the exact same rate as your income, and you're stuck in the same place. Wealthy people flip this formula. Income savings equals expenses. They decide first what percentage they are saving. They pay themselves first. And then this is the key. They build their lifestyle around what's left. It's not about deprivation. It's about intentionality. And this is the first major difference. Okay, so let's say you start saving 20%, 30%, even 40% of your income. Congratulations, you're doing better than 95% of Americans. But here's the problem. Where you put that money determines whether you stay middle class or break through to real wealth. The Federal Reserve tracks something called the distribution of household wealth. And when you look at the actual asset allocation between the middle class and the wealthy, The difference is absolutely staggering. For middle-class households, the single biggest asset is their primary residence ***. It accounts for about **65% of their total wealth ***. Think about that. 2/3 of everything they own is locked up in the house they live in. They can't access it. They can't use it to generate income. It's just sitting there, appreciating, hopefully, but not actually working for them. For wealthy households, top 10%, their primary residence accounts for less than *10% of their net worth ***. The rest? It's an financial assets stocks, bonds, real estate investments, private equity, business ownership, things that generate cash flow and compound over time. Here's a real example. Let's say you've got $100,000 to invest. Middle-class thinking says, I'm going to put this toward a bigger down payment so I can get a nicer house. But wealthy thinking says, I'm going to put this in an index fund earning 10% annually and let it compound for 30 years. After 30 years, that house might be worth $250,000 more. Nice. But that $100,000 investment? At 10% compounded annually, it's now worth $174 million Same starting amount, 7 times more wealth. And here's the crazy part. You can sell the stocks anytime. The house? You're living in it. Now, I'm not saying don't buy a house. But here's what most people don't realize. The wealthy treat their primary residence as a lifestyle choice, not an investment. They buy the house they need not, the biggest one the bank will approve them for, and they put the difference into actual investments. And this is where people start to get uncomfortable, because we've been told our whole lives that homeownership is the key to wealth. And look, it can beef you're strategic about it. But the middle class buys one house and lives in it. The wealthy buy multiple properties and rent them out. Big difference. According to research published in the Journal of Financial Planning, high net worth individuals have * 70% of their wealth in financial assets * compared to just 25% for the middle class. That's the second major difference. * asset allocation *. It's not just about saving money. It's about putting that money in things that multiply *. All right, here's where this gets really interesting. And honestly, this is the part that makes me the most frustrated, because it's so simple, and yet almost nobody does it. The third thing wealthy people do differently is they start earlier not a little earlier, decades earlier. And because of compound interest, that head start creates a wealth gap that's almost impossible to close. But let me give you the math. 2 people. Person A starts investing $500 a month at age 25. Person B waits until they are 35 and starts investing the same $500 a month. Both earn 8% annually. Both invest until age 65. Person A invests for 40 years. Total contributions, $240,000. Ending balance, $1, 75 million ***. Person B invests for 30 years. Total contributions, $180,000. Ending balance, $745,000 Person A invested $60,000 more, but ended up with $1 million more ***. That's the power of compound interest. Those first 10 years are worth more than the entire next 30 years combined *. And this is why the wealth gap keeps widening. The people who started early are so far ahead that catching up is nearly impossible without dramatically increasing your savings rate. Now, you might be thinking, well, I'm 35, so I guess I'm screwed. No. Here's the thing. The best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time is right now *. But you can't just invest the same amount as someone who started earlier. You have to make up for lost time. If you're starting at 35 instead of 25, you need to save about * 30% more * to end up in the same place. It's not fair, but that's the math. And this is why I get so frustrated when I see people in their 30s still trying to figure out investing or waiting for the right time to start. There is no right time. The right time was yesterday. The second best time is today. Here's what most people don't realize. Wealthy people don't wait until they have enough to start investing. They start with asterisk whatever they have asterisk and let time do the work. I've seen people stress about whether to invest $100 or $200 a month, and meanwhile they are missing asterisk years asterisk of compounding. Let me put this in perspective. If you invest $100 a month starting at age 25, by age 65 you'll have about $350,000. If you wait until 35 and invest $200 a month, asterisk double asterisk, the amount you'll have about $298,000. You invested asterisk more money asterisk and ended up with asterisk less wealth asterisk. That's the compound interest time gap. And it's the third major difference. Now look, we've talked about the math, but here's the uncomfortable truth. Asterisk asterisk the math isn't the hard part asterisk asterisk. Saving 30% of your income isn't asterisk complicated asterisk. Investing in index funds isn't asterisk difficult asterisk. Starting early isn't asterisk confusing asterisk. The hard part is the asterisk psychology asterisk. Here's what I mean. We live in a culture that is asterisk obsessed asterisk with looking wealthy. Luxury cars, designer clothes, expensive vacations. I see people driving $60,000 trucks while living in apartments. I see people spending $200 on brunch and then complaining they can't afford to invest. And here's the thing, I'm not judging the lifestyle. I'm judging the asterisk priority asterisk. There's this study that looked at millionaires, not billionaires, just regular millionaires, and you know what they found? Most of them drive used cars. Most of them live in middle-class neighborhoods. Most of them don't wear expensive clothes. They don't asterisk look asterisk rich because they are too busy asterisk becoming asterisk rich. The average American is spending money to asterisk signal asterisk wealth. The actual wealthy are spending money to asterisk build asterisk wealth. And that psychological difference is asterisk everything asterisk. Here's a perfect example. Let's say you get a $10,000 bonus at work. Middle-class thinking says, I'm going to upgrade my car, take a nice vacation, buy some new furniture. Wealthy thinking says, I'm going to invest this and let it turn into $50,000 over the next 20 years. Same $10,000. Completely different outcome. And this is the mindset shift that nobody talks about. But wealthy people don't see money as something to spend. They see it as something to asterisk, deploy asterisk. Every dollar is a soldier. You can send it out to work for you, or you can burn it on something that loses value the second you buy it. Now, I'm not saying live like a monk and never enjoy your money. But here's the question you need to ask yourself. Would you rather asterisk look asterisk rich for the next 5 years? Or asterisk be asterisk rich for the rest of your life? Because you can't do both, at least not at the beginning. All right, let's bring this all together. You've got the 3 things wealthy people do differently. Asterisk asterisk 1. They save 30-40% of their income by paying themselves first. Asterisk 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 2. They allocate their wealth into financial assets, not lifestyle inflation. Asterisk 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 3. They start as early as possible and let compound interest do the heavy lifting. Asterisk asterisk, so what do you asterisk actually asterisk do with this information? Here's your action plan. Asterisk asterisk step 1. Automate your savings. Asterisk asterisk as soon as your paycheck hits. Asterisk before asterisk you pay rent, before you buy groceries, before you do anything move 20% into a separate investment account. If you can't do 20% yet, start with 10%. The point is to make it asterisk automatic asterisk. You can't spend what you don't see. Asterisk asterisk step 2. Shift from home equity to financial assets. Asterisk asterisk if you're thinking about upgrading your house or buying a bigger car, stop and calculate what that money would be worth in 30 years if you invested it instead. I am not saying don't buy the house, but make it a asterisk conscious decision asterisk, not a default one. Asterisk asterisk step 3. Open a brokerage account asterisk today asterisk and start investing in low-cost index funds. Asterisk asterisk not tomorrow, not next month, today. Even if it's $50, even if it's $20. The point is to start the clock on compounding. You're not trying to time the market, but You're trying to get asterisk time and asterisk the market. Asterisk asterisk step 4. Increase your savings rate every time you get a raise. Asterisk asterisk this is the secret weapon. Every time your income goes up, increase your savings by half of that raise. Got a 6% raise? Increase your savings rate by 3%. You still get to enjoy a better lifestyle, but you're also accelerating your wealth building. Asterisk asterisk step 5. Shift your mindset from earning to spend to earning to invest. Asterisk asterisk this is the psychological shift that changes everything. Every time you're about to buy something, ask yourself, would I rather have this thing or would I rather have financial freedom 5 years sooner? Sometimes the answer is the thing, but most of the time, it's not. Look, here's the reality. The system is rigged. The top 10% own 67% of everything, and that gap is widening every single year. But here's what makes me frustrated. Asterisk most people are playing by the wrong rules asterisk. They are optimizing for asterisk, looking asterisk successful instead of asterisk being asterisk successful. They are spending everything they make and wondering why they are not getting ahead. But you don't have to be in that group. The 3 things we talked about, saving a high percentage of your income, investing in financial assets, and starting as early as possible, these aren't secrets. They are not complicated. They are just asterisk unpopular asterisk, because they require you to live differently than everyone around you. But here's the question. Do you want to live like everyone else and end up in the same financial position they are in? Or do you want to make different choices and actually build wealth? The choice is yours. But I'll tell you this, 10 years from now, you're going to wish you started today. So start it. If this video helped shift how you think about money, smash that like button and subscribe for more financial breakdowns like this. Drop a comment and let me know. What percentage of your income are you saving right now? Let's hold each other accountable. I'll see you in the next one.